Hi there, this is Siam. Today we are going to set up Google Ads remarketing campaign with GTM. So let's jump into the video. First of all, open the browser, go to the Google Ads, and then go not tools, shared library, audience manager. Click on audience manager. Here you can see that's your data source. First of all, we have to create a set up a tag with GTM. Here it is, only collected general website visit data to show ads to your website. Yes, this is turn on the restricted data processing. Save and collect it. Now we will find our tag. Yeah, it's a Google tag manager tag. Here you can see the conversion ID. Just copy this one, and yes, now we have to create a tag which is remarketing tag. Now go to the new option, just click on that, Google Ads, and then choose the remarketing option. Yes, paste the conversion and give a name, Google Ads, remarketing tag. Yes, add a ticker, always view. Here you can choose a specific page by choosing a page view trigger, but I want to tag all the page. If someone visit all the page, all of any kind of page, then the person will be added in my checklist. Just click on add and save it. Yes, now our work is done. Now let's create a, just click on continue. Yes, what I'm saying that now let's create a new segment which will help us to create a remarketing audience website visitor. In this section you can choose whatever you want. I will choose website visit. Yes, you can choose a segment name whatever you want. Remarketing tag for Google Ads. Now you can change the duration. I will choose 90 days, and whatever you want you can add some or and action. Also you can add some exclude option. Just create a segment. I will click it. Now we are going to set up a campaign. Click on create, just set up a campaign. Remember one thing is that when we create a segment we can choose a specific tag. We can choose a person who visited product page or anything else. Just choose a sales and then continue. Then video campaign, just click on that, click continue. Just I pick up this normal. Just choose the language whatever you want. My main reason is to see you that is how to set up a marketing campaign. That is my main option. Create an audience. Now we have to choose the audience we have previously done. Remarketing audience. Just new segment. Add your data, browse this, and then website visitor, all visitor. Yes, that will be perfect. Just click on save. Yes, now our remarketing campaign is done. Now you have to do whatever you want. You can do And here it end of the video. Our main reason, the video main reason was that how to set up a remarketing campaign with GTM. This was a very basic video what I made. If you are interested, you can connect with me via LinkedIn, Instagram, or WhatsApp. We can work together, and I can help you to how to do this properly. Now let's just now see you later. Have a good day.